Hey, it's Julia from violinspiration.com, and today we are going to learn All I Want for Christmas. This is the intermediate version. It's a little bit challenging and really fun to play, but if this one is a little bit too difficult, I recommend to check out the beginner version that I also uploaded on my channel. You can find the link below. In the video description you can find everything you need to learn this song, from the scale to warm up with. I really recommend to do so, because then your intonation will sound so much better, and also, of course, the sheet music of the song and the backing track. Before we get started, please let me know what type of music do you prefer me to upload more on this channel. Classical music, folk music, pop songs, movie, film themes. Please post it in the comments below. And if you already have a specific piece in mind, also add that to your comment. So now it's time to get your violin, get tuned, and let's start practicing. thank you so much for practicing with me and great job today. If you've actually practiced, please let me know how many times did you repeat the song and post the violin emoji in the comments so I know that some of you are actually practicing and not just watching me play. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to this channel because I am uploading more tutorials every single week. Next one I have 2 really fun tutorials lined up and you surely don't want to miss them. I think they will sound so nice on the violin too. Also, I recommend to download my free skills on the website. This will really help you with your intonation and every song sounds better if your intonation is better. And you can find all the skills that I cover in my booklet on my YouTube channel as well. So for now, good luck practicing and see you in the next video. Bye bye!